How do we just accuse this man?
Our king in this village has impregnated the queen.
But thus saith the Lord, even the captives of the mighty shall be taken away.
There shall be nothing good that shall come or go out of the heart of Okpebi, or of the heart of anyone that comes from his loins. I seal it with my blood.
What?
If any man turns away from Jesus, you are facing the devil eyeball to eyeball.
A cause is about to be established.
There shall be no cry of babies in your lineage.